What's up, guys? Bitcoin update. Bitcoin right now is 26,500. We still on bearish mode. We are below this supported line right here. Our last call was to buy Bitcoin right here at $25,000, and you sold Bitcoin around $31,000. Don't worry about it. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Let's pay attention on the main reason why you have this channel. We buy altcoin pumps. Pay attention to this coin right here, Efforce. Before the pump, the volume of this coin was $53,000 and volume pumped to $268,000. I shared this trade in the private list before the pump, guys. We bought this coin for 0.016 and you put a sell order up here. Daily resistance at 4 cents. 150%. I made 140, $14,000. The trades I share in the private list on the last 4 days was Plunge, Akropolis, Torum, Efforce, we just talked about, Renewable energy, and Fanadise. Guys, I share my trades in the private list because we buy before the pump to sell up high. Our idea is to increase the buyer power. Okay, let me give you another example here. Before the pump, there is a pre-pump volume, Akropolis. I put the handle right here. This picture I share in the private list. Pay attention right here. Before the pump, pay attention to this number right here. The coin pumped from $51,000 up to $6 million. That's when the uptrend started. So I shared this trade in the private list on July 28th. We bought this coin for 0.004 and put a sell order up here. This was swing trade strategy, 165% profit. I made 150%. I made $15,000. Guys, overall today, take a look how many pumps. We hit 675% profit. If you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment a week. Give me a like this video and share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. And remember, I will let you know when you should buy Bitcoin and the main cryptos like Shiba, Litecoin, XRP, Cardano. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. You already know. If you like to get those trades in real time, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.